Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a struck fill text with typing animation for your video edits in CapCut. So first, just add the clips and then go to text and just write your text. So you can change the font to your favorite one. In this case, I'm going to use the the rainbow font like this. I'm going to put it at the bottom. Click on the check icon and make the duration the same as the video, so adjust it like this. Then copy the text and on the second text go to style and lower the opacity of the text to 0. Now go to stroke, choose the white color and adjust the thickness to 6. Okay, click on the check icon. Now on the first text, go to animation. Under the in category, select the typewriter animation. Okay, this one. Click on that, adjust the duration to 2 seconds. Click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the final result for the text. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and please click on the thanks below. Bye.